Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. As soon as I saw the ladders, I knew someone was getting hurt. Man, that was a close call. Never underestimate the force of a tree, right? Yeah, you know it. Chainsaws and ladders are a disaster waiting to happen. This seems like your typical lumberjack video at first. Right, but wait for it, folks. This kind of efficiency is key to sustainable forest management. Deep in the forest, skilled loggers work in perfect harmony with their horses. With steady hands, they guide these powerful animals, effortlessly pulling heavy logs through the woods. Every movement is slow, controlled, and smooth. No rush, no struggle. Just the quiet rhythm of nature and hard work blending together. Check this out, this operator's got it going on. Assesses the situation, then uses the boom. Smart move, that's what I call thinking on your feet. And Tiger Cat, always reliable, always impressive. The Morbark 4036 is a beast in the biomass world, turning that 16 knife advantage. 3/8-inch chips no matter what you feed it. The extra wide in feed gobbles whole trees. It's built tough where they are for 5/0 steel on the drum skin. A true beast at work, this heavy-duty wood shredder moves like a steamroller. But instead of a drum, it's armed with massive spinning saw blades. Logs go in whole end in seconds. They're reduced to fine wood chips. Raw power, unstoppable force. This machine is a real monster. Stumps, they're toast. Doesn't matter if they're underground or sticking up. Clean and easy, you'll be done before you know it. The MNJ 4000 is a powerful shredder, designed to handle a variety of waste materials. Its bidirectional cutting system, combined with an open cutting table, reduces downtime and boosts efficiency. For hardened steel components, guarantee durability, and its energy-saving design lowers operating costs. Whether you're dealing with C and D debris, MSW, or biomass. With its ability to navigate steep hillsides with ease, the Ritter R185 skidder is powered by a 19.3 horsepower engine and comes with a highly responsive hydrostatic drive system. Its wet disc braking system and electro-hydraulic differential lock ensure excellent traction and control. This machine effortlessly hauls heavy timber and ensures the operator's safety and comfort throughout the workday. This video shows the intricate technique of crafting heads. Carefully cut to a 3/4 inch thickness. Subsequent planing ensures a smooth finish. Before the rounding saw cuts the shape and creates the beveled edge, stave production uses spruce logs and cut to precise lengths according to the barrel dimensions. After this, the logs are carefully processed by the stave saw. A vital step includes the jointer, refining the edges of the staves and adding the center bulge, important for the barrel's form. Finally, the staves are air-dried outside the cooperage to ensure top quality for barrel assembly. This reminds me of Ohio. Man, they've got some wild drivers there, especially in construction zones. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video left you amazed. Your support fuels our creative energy. A massive log, seemingly impossible to lift. But this guy does it with just one hand, effortless, smooth, no struggle at all. And to top it off, a confident double-like. Pure strength, pure style. You see that stump grinder? Man, that thing's a beast. No way, this machine just chews it up and spits it out. It's like a giant wood chipper, but instead of branches, it eats stumps for breakfast. Pretty cool, huh? Which they used to use back in the day. I understand that forestry work can be tough. In the logging world, take the skidder for example. 1 minute it's cruising along, then suddenly, bam, it's flipped over. A good reminder to take it slow and steady on those hills. Looking at this scenario, it's obvious the tree had to come down right away. With the weak soil and the angle of the tree, a strong wind gust could have caused a serious accident. I don't know if he's incredibly calm or just a little crazy. Either way, he's lucky he didn't get injured. Whoa, that's a dangerous situation. Icy slopes like that can be treacherous. Skill only gets you so far. Having the right gear is essential. What do you all think of that? Wow, I guess the saying, "Cameramen are immortal," is always true. Redefines high-volume wood waste processing. Its 60-inch cutter mill ensures efficient material flow and minimizes vibration. Let's talk wood chippers. But here's the thing. That's where Armando Augusto Silva Elda steps in. They specialize in pairing businesses with the ideal chipping equipment. Focused on quality and durability, you can trust to get the best return on your investment. Wow, core drilling is a precise and minimally disruptive method for stump removal, especially useful in tight spaces. This technique uses a specialized drill to remove the stump's core, leaving the surrounding area intact. It's ideal for urban areas and places where traditional grinding might not work. I've seen many tree felling operations, but this one still leaves an impression. The calmness, confidence, and precision of the logger is remarkable. He's got full control of the situation, turning a risky task into an art form. Whoa, forget about the impressive work for a moment. Have you seen the Nisola N5 and the Nisola 500H cutting head? The bold red against the snowy backdrop is just incredible. It's like a scene from a winter wonderland. Circular sawmill, featuring a 48-inch carbide-tipped saw blade, perfect for cutting through hardwoods. The 3-cylinder Detroit diesel engine provides ample power for heavy-duty sawing tasks, and the restoration work by Gary is flawless. He's a true master of his craft. Water-powered sawmill in Herend, Norway, operational since the late 1500s. Remarkably, it's still in use today, serving as both a functional tool and living museum. Sawmilling methods are taught to new generations. What makes the Attero Vortex special? Unlike other motors, this one converts nearly, converting all that hydraulic power into pure horsepower, which means less energy wasted, higher efficiency, and more savings for you. Think of it like this: you've got an excavator with a strong hydraulic system, unleashes that power to crush the toughest stumps. Ever wonder how they process firewood so fast? Well, I stumbled upon this awesome setup: the Dalen 2054 and the Massey Ferguson 5711M. The 2054 grabs a log and slices through it like butter. And get this, it handles logs over 17 inches thick. Then the 5711M steps in, a powerhouse tractor with over 110 horsepower, and hauls everything away. Check out this beast. It's got insane power. And the sound, man, it's music to my ears. Have you ever seen anything like it? Man, that was a narrow escape. This guy's luck outmatches his wisdom. Seriously, though, a tiny digger for such a massive tree and no helmet. He's fortunate he walked away unharmed. Someone should have a word with him about safety. That's how it's done. Here's a crucial safety tip. Always double your expected safe distance from a falling tree. It might seem overcautious. I've never met anyone who regretted being too careful. Well, it takes more than just a heavy foot to haul timber. The real pros are calm under pressure when the road gets tough. They don't panic. They assess the situation, figure out the best move, and get it done. That's what sets a great driver apart from a good one. Man, this stump is stubborn. It's like a heavyweight champ, knocking out 2 trucks in a row. But seriously, guys, those snapped chains are like explosions. And don't forget about those poor tires and clutches. They never had a chance. Incredible! This Fiat 80 to 90 is a powerhouse. Witness its raw strength as it dominates the toughest terrains. Prepare to be amazed by this machine's sheer capability. In forestry, the cleanup process is running smoothly. The machine expertly grabs the overgrown bushes, twisting them effortlessly into a tight bundle. Every move is precise, every action seamless. With such efficiency and control, the job gets done quickly and perfectly. Let's talk about the Husqvarna 395 XP, a powerful chainsaw made for professionals. Look how it tore through that log in the video. Absolute magic. It's got power, precision, and an ergonomic design that keeps your hands comfortable. During long shifts, if you're serious about forestry, this tool will work as hard as you do. Witness this clever modification of an ATV, a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. Turns this recreational vehicle into a strong forestry workhorse, allowing access to remote areas. Looks like our friend, the 650, is having a bit of trouble. Now, I'm no mechanic. That plow might be digging too deep, or maybe the angle's just off. When I saw the Ritter D40 in action, I was amazed by its versatility and strength. The semi-professional winch operates smoothly, thanks to its dual chain drive system, ensuring both durability and low noise. It grabs tight cables effortlessly, even on tough terrains, which is truly impressive. Compact and powerful, the Ritter D40 is essential for forestry and agricultural tasks. Watching this 56-inch circular saw at work is truly breathtaking. The massive blade, the powerful engine, the precise cuts through massive logs. It's a spectacle to behold. Even though it's 50 years old, this sawmill is still an incredible piece of machinery, a true testament, demonstrating mankind's ability to harness nature's strength. CRD Metalworks has engineered a powerhouse, featuring a 73 horsepower Deutz diesel engine and a massive 50-inch carbide-tipped circular saw. This machine easily transforms logs into firewood. Its 8-way wedge and 30-foot conveyor, along with a hydraulic live deck, optimize workflow for maximum output. Experience the age-old tradition of using oxen in forestry, brought to life by Hector, a young Highland cow. His thick fur and remarkable horns show the breed's natural toughness, perfectly built for navigating woodland paths. Though only a year and a half old, Hector has a natural gift for hauling timber. Watch his steady steps and determined attitude as he follows his handler's instructions. Check out this fantastic wood chipping setup, featuring the Doosan 110 mH. A crane feeds into a Dobstad DZ750 shredder, while a Volvo L180G Wheel loader scoops up the wood chips. It's a smooth, synchronized operation, with every piece of machinery working in perfect harmony. This is true efficiency, folks. No time wasted, no effort wasted, just pure productivity. This pine tree is resisting. It's leaning heavily, but refuses to fall. Stubborn, not today. And even brought in the fabulous 36 to help, but still nothing. Now, they're bringing out the heavy machinery, the ZT300. Wood and laughter are truly heartwarming. It's amazing how they've preserved this ancient custom into modern times. It's a testament to their strong sense of community. Alright, let's talk tree care. If you need a safe, check out Excavator mounted tree shears. These things are incredible, giving you remarkable reach and control, easily tackling those tough to reach areas while keeping your hedges looking perfect. Plus, they're also perfect for selective tree removal and topping. Amazing, this ancient mill and carton factory offers a glimpse into the past. Observe the lasting impact of these steam-driven devices as they withstand the ravages of time. It's an experience that sparks the imagination, a tribute to the brilliance and perseverance of those who came before us. You know what's amazing? Vintage logging tools tell such a remarkable story. Imagine this equipment your grandfather might have used, still going strong today. It's like witnessing history unfold. And the coolest part, they're not just relics of the past. They're still providing livelihoods for people and supporting local industries. Incredible! This Vermeer 630A is a classic underdog story in the logging industry. Witness the amazing strength of this compact equipment as it tackles a stump far larger than itself. It's an incredible display of resilience and efficiency, a remarkable tribute to human creativity. Imagine this, a perfect balance of strength and precision in motion. This isn't just any circular sawmill. It's your ally in turning logs into opportunities. Powers a 450mm blade that glides through wood like butter on a hot knife. Best of all, it's as easy to use as your favorite smartphone, turning each cut into a joy rather than a challenge. It's mind-blowing. Massive logs getting sliced in no time. You need to see a firewood mill in full swing. This PTH-14 1000 chipper truck is a monster. It can take on anything you throw at it, with a huge drum and a 730 horsepower engine. This machine is a wood-devouring beast, and because it's mounted on a truck, You can bring it anywhere, the ultimate chipper, for any serious forestry work. I mean, seriously, who's the real challenge here? The road or this gas 66? This thing's a monster. It just laughs at those so-called tough roads. GAZ 66, the undisputed king of off-road. Forestry tractor shows incredible hauling power. The tractor's sturdy build and high traction tires make it perfect for tough terrains while carrying heavy loads. This combo of strength and efficiency is key to optimizing forestry work. This 56-inch circular saw shows the lasting power of well-kept equipment. The saw's large blade and powerful motor ensure efficient cutting of large timber, even after years of service. This highlights the importance of durable design and regular upkeep in extending the lifespan of equipment. I'm also gonna show you guys a couple of passes. Wow, the Volvo FH540 truly stands out. From its attention-grabbing LED headlights to its versatility on construction sites and forest roads, this truck can do it all. Add intelligent steering and efficient engines, and you've got a ride that's smooth as silk. As it is powerful, honestly, it's like driving a masterpiece of engineering. If you're looking for a dependable forestry tool, the TMK400 is worth considering. And powered by a versatile 4-in-1 hydraulic system, it handles trees up to 400 millimeters in diameter. And here's the bonus. The turbo cylinder offers a 15% performance boost. Efficiency, power, and durability all in one. Ever tried dropping a tree? It's a wild ride, but in the end, that tree is gonna do what it wants. Guess in the end we still can't beat Mother Nature, huh? The Cat 5-1B Feller Buncher takes on freezing temperatures in snowy hills. With its powerful 33 horsepower Cat C9 Ace, RT engine weighing 60,629 pounds. Its 26.5 feet reach handles tall trees and 35 inches of ground clearance. The black splitter with its cone-shaped design stands out, minimizing kickback and reducing the force needed. For high-volume hardwood processing, it's a game changer. Now this DAX 665T, she's a beast. But even beasts have their limits. Ice in that differential coupling, not a good mix. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.